Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to disable the ad blocker in Google Chrome. Right now, if we click here on our extensions, click on that, and we go to Manage Extensions, we can remove or disable the ad blocker by just turn this one off. Now, we can also turn this one on, or if we go to our extensions and we click here on ad block, we can click here on past. Now, right now we turn it on again and we click here on the cross, because if you want to remove it, you can go to that extension, click there on remove and do remove. And then right now he is removing the ad blocker. So from now there's nothing that we need to do. And now if we look here, on all extensions, the ad blocker is gone. So we disabled it. So you have two ways how to disable it, and hopefully one is the way that you are looking for. So if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then from now, thanks for watching.